Robert Frost as a nature poet. Robert Frost is renowned for his profound connection with nature, which is reflected in his poetry. His works often explore the human experience through the lens of the natural world. Frost's poems frequently feature nature as a central theme, using imagery and symbolism to convey meaning. In The Road Not Taken, he writes, "Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both." Here, the road and the wood serve as metaphors for life's choices and the natural world's influence on human decisions. In Birches, Frost describes the bending of trees in the wind, creating a vivid picture of nature's power. The birches bend to left and right, across the lines of straighter, darker trees. Frost's poetry also explores the importance of boundaries and connections in nature. In Mending Wall, he writes, "Good fences make good neighbors." This poem highlights the role of physical and metaphorical barriers in shaping our relationships with others and the natural world. Frost's poetry often captures the beauty and tranquility of nature. In Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, he writes, "The woods are lovely, dark and deep. But I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep." This poem showcases Frost's ability to convey the allure of nature and the human desire to connect with it. Frost's poetry examines the human experience of working in nature. In After Apple Picking, he writes, "And there's a barrel that I didn't fill beside it, and there may be 2 or 3 apples I didn't pick upon some bough." In conclusion, Robert Frost's poetry is a testament to his deep connection with nature. His works offer profound insights into the human experience through the lens of the natural world, exploring themes of beauty, boundaries, and the human condition.